Did you know that building strong relationships can greatly improve your mental and physical well-being? Relationships are the foundation of a happy and fulfilling life, but they require effort, understanding, and effective communication. Let's explore how to build and maintain them. Healthy relationships are built on trust. Trust is the glue that holds any bond together. To foster trust, always be honest and reliable with those you care about. Listening is just as important as speaking in any relationship. Practice active listening by giving your full attention and responding thoughtfully. This shows that you value the other person's feelings and opinions. Communication is the cornerstone of a healthy relationship. Clear and open communication helps resolve conflicts and ensures everyone's needs are understood. Respecting each other's boundaries is essential. Boundaries define what is comfortable and acceptable for each person. Always respect them to maintain harmony. Empathy helps you understand and connect with others on a deeper level. Put yourself in their shoes and try to see things from their perspective. Every relationship faces challenges. Learn to navigate conflicts calmly and constructively. Avoid blaming and focus on finding solutions together. Quality time strengthens bonds. Whether it's a simple conversation or a shared activity, dedicating time to each other creates lasting memories. Appreciate and acknowledge the good in others. A simple thank you or a compliment can go a long way in making someone feel valued. Forgiveness is key to maintaining healthy relationships. Letting go of grudges and resentment allows you to move forward and strengthen your connection. Relationships thrive on mutual support. Be there for each other during both good and bad times, offering encouragement and understanding. Celebrate each other's successes. Sharing in joy fosters positivity and strengthens your bond. Be authentic in your relationships. When you are true to yourself, you allow others to connect with the real you. Show kindness and compassion daily. Small acts of care can make a big difference in any relationship. Maintaining individuality is crucial. While relationships involve togetherness, it's important to have your own interests and time for self-care. Set realistic expectations for your relationships. No one is perfect, and understanding this can reduce unnecessary conflicts. Check in regularly with your loved ones. Asking how they're doing or if they need support shows that you care. Boundaries aren't just about saying no. They're about creating a space where both parties feel comfortable and respected. Be patient with others. Strong relationships take time to build, and rushing can lead to misunderstandings. Encourage personal growth in yourself and others. Support each other's goals and celebrate progress. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool. Share jokes, watch a funny movie, or just enjoy playful moments together. At this point, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful and insightful tips on creating a fulfilling life. Your support helps us create even more content like this. Your support helps us create even more content like this. Keep promises you make. Reliability strengthens trust and demonstrates your commitment to the relationship. Avoid taking others for granted. Show gratitude for their presence and the role they play in your life. Healthy relationships require compromise. Meet each other halfway to find solutions that work for both parties. Express your emotions constructively. Share how you feel without assigning blame or creating unnecessary tension. Relationships evolve over time. Be adaptable and willing to grow with the changes that come your way. Understand that love languages differ. Learn how others express and receive love to strengthen your connection. Be mindful of your words. Speak with kindness and avoid saying things you may regret. Support each other's mental health. Be a safe space where your loved ones can share their thoughts without fear of judgment. Avoid comparisons in relationships. Every relationship is unique, and comparisons can lead to unnecessary dissatisfaction. Focus on the present moment. Being fully engaged strengthens your bond and shows that you value the time spent together. Recognize the importance of physical touch. A hug, a pat on the back, or holding hands can convey care and affection. Celebrate milestones together. Anniversaries, birthdays, and other special occasions are opportunities to show your appreciation. Learn to say "I'm sorry" when you're wrong. Apologizing demonstrates humility and a willingness to improve. Encourage honesty, even when it's difficult. Truthful conversations lead to deeper understanding and connection. Accept each other's flaws. Perfection isn't realistic, and accepting imperfections strengthens your relationship. Set goals together. Whether it's planning a trip or working towards a shared dream, common goals bring people closer. Recognize when professional help is needed. Therapy or counseling can provide valuable tools for overcoming relationship challenges. Surround yourselves with positive influences. Healthy relationships thrive in a supportive environment. Be mindful of your tone of voice. How you say something can be as important as what you say. Share responsibilities in partnerships. Whether it's chores or decision-making, equitable effort fosters balance. Celebrate cultural or personal differences. Embracing diversity enriches your relationships. Teach by example. Demonstrate the behaviors and values you wish to see in others. Take responsibility for your own happiness. While relationships can enhance your life, they shouldn't be your sole source of fulfillment. Take responsibility for your own happiness. While relationships can enhance your life, they shouldn't be your sole source of fulfillment. Encourage self-reflection. Understanding yourself better helps you connect more authentically with others. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Together, let's continue exploring ways to build a happier and healthier life.